Now let's start this transformation. Ferrari F40 1989 model. We found it right here in this backyard. Oh my god, it's so dusty. So let's start up from here. We're gonna wash it out. And then we apply this foam on this red Ferrari. It's getting a little bit clearer. Now we open the door. Oh my god, there is so much dust in the car. Let's remove these seats. There you go. And then we're gonna dust it out from the inside. Let's remove this and put it out. We will see from the back, and there is so much dust. Let's see. Oh my god, it's so much dusty. Remove this dust and we just start up the engine, and the engine is very dusty and oily. We want to remove the oil, the old oil. See, it's so zungy and dusty. We will wash each and every part of this car. Oh my god. There you go with this so soft punch. Wow. Nice time to readjust from the bottom. And we will do this. Wow. I believe that you must be enjoying this video. See, the Ferrari lover is so dusty, and we will wash it out for you. Nice time to remove the old paint, and we will repaint this red Ferrari with this beautiful red paint. Now the first coating that we are doing here, the second one, and the third will finish it out. See, this gonna make so clean and pushy. It's getting so soft, so oily, and so attractive. See, the final work is getting done. We are adjusting the new seats, and there you go with this wonderful Ferrari steering. The back mirror and the front mirror is perfect. We just started the engine to see, is it good? Yes, it is good. See, oh my god. See the shine. Thank you for watching, Ferrari lovers. Subscribe.